Hello guys, welcome to MJ School of Mining and Geology YouTube channel. Did you know that geological maps plays a vital role in hydrogeological studies? Well, stay tuned to hear more about that with Malabadi Johannes. Please subscribe, like, share, comment, and hit the ring bell to always be in par with our content. Geologic map-based information forms the basis for locating site-specific groundwater sources. 1. Geologic map information defines the local distribution and subsurface configuration of geologic materials that contain groundwater. 2. Geologic maps depict the distribution and subsurface configuration of geologic materials that form barriers to and conduits for the flow of groundwater or that lead to perched groundwater conditions. 3. Geologic maps portray the distribution of geologic materials and structures that affect the size and position of buffer zones. And 4. Geologic maps portray the distribution and types of materials in potential groundwater recharge areas and may improve estimation of recharge rates or long-term reliability of a groundwater source. How can these geological maps show areas likely to have more groundwater occurrence? Karst, intergranular, and fractured aquifers have high occurrence. Low topographic relief areas have the greatest groundwater because of infiltration. Geologic map-based information is essential to the estimation of the vulnerability of regional groundwater reserves to point source and non-point source contamination. 1. On a regional basis, geologic maps depict the areal distribution and subsurface configuration of geologic materials that store groundwater or that recharge the groundwater reservoirs. 2. Geologic maps depict the areal distribution and subsurface configuration of geologic materials whose layering characteristics and geotechnical properties are conducive to the transmission of groundwater contaminants, and to the trapping and storage of contaminants. 3. Geologic maps depict the areal distribution and subsurface configuration of geologic materials that form barriers to the flow of groundwater, which is the source of dissolved mineral constituents or that lead to perched groundwater conditions. In conclusion, geological maps are used to understand groundwater resources and help locate and protect resources. This contributes to resource sustainability. Let us keep and protect groundwater. Thank you for joining us today. Until next time, cheers.